No, our position is that
My position.
Yes, my lord, but she represents the women's wing of the PTI.
No. Let's
okay, my lord.
Let's stay
My position is that had the Election Commission allowed reserved seats to SIC or to PTI, she would have been a candidate in the election. And by not permitting reserved seats,
grieved why you didn't challenge your grievance before any forum.
It was being challenged. It was being agitated. But it was being challenged by SIC before the Peshawar High Court. Yes, I am being deprived,
so
and
then
therefore
you have a right to agitate.
Quite so, and therefore I am affected by this judgment, and HM Saya's case applies to me on all fours.
आपका नाम उस लिस्ट में था जिसमें PTI
के लिस्ट में आपका नाम था।
जी इधर है लिस्ट आपकी दिखाएं
जी
पेज जी the page.
No, it's not been filed yet. I just got it, my lord. But I will file it if I may.
ये तो सारा आपका केस ही इस पे बिल्ड अप हो रहा है.
I've asserted it. I've stated it.
कौन सी वाली लिस्ट में नाम है ये?
Application. The list is here. This was the list that was presented.
This is your document.
My lord, इसमें मैंने दो दिए, and then also we filed a writ petition in the High Court saying.
चीज का जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी चीज.
My lord, I have stated it.
ठीक है बस.
No, my lord, I'll explain. But in between, there was a problem with the sealing of the office and so on, and this was actually recovered quite late in the day. Eid holidays came in, and I've just received it, and I will file it. My apologies for not being able to file it earlier, but we were struggling with the sealing and the de-sealing of the office.
ये लिस्ट में तो सिर्फ दो नाम हैं.
जी इसमें यही चाहिए थे.
List to column.
नहीं, but because the law says as long as you filed a list, later on you can add to it.
This is the only list.
Yes, for the National Assembly. Yes, for the National Assembly. And
I'll ask you this question again.
Yes.
This is the only list of PTI for women.
Yes.
Two candidates only.
Yes, because we knew that ultimately the law allows us to supplement this list.
आपसे argument नहीं पूछ रहे.
Yes.
आप fact पूछ रहे.
I've said so.
So if you don't think there's a danger in the answer.
No, this is the list that was filed.
Okay.
And therefore, at that time, when this list was filed, the expectation was that after the election, we would be.
This is the list for reserve list for seats
for women.
In from Punjab.
Yes.
So you filed separately for the other provinces.
Yes.
And for the
I'll file them all.
And for the provincial.
Yes.
आप तो facts आपको नहीं पता है.
नहीं मुझे पता है.
अभी मैं आपसे 3 दफा ये सवाल पूछा. My lord has to point out कि भाई पंजाब वाली list है.
Yes. So I am filing the list before your lordship, in which she is named.
There should be a sense of responsibilities. How can we just accept it? That's why we want documents filed before the other party gets a chance to at least consider it.
The Election Commission actually has filed things which have just come to my attention this morning. They've filed something over the weekend.
They have filed it, no?
Yes, but this I'm submitting. I will file, make copies available to them.
They shouldn't have come to your attention this morning because we got it yesterday and it was filed. वो तो देखिए Election Commission ने कब file किया? तो आप कल निकलवा लेते ना?
Well, I will file this. My apologies.
Raja, so the petitioner, you say, is a person who was on the reserve seat for women.
Yes, for Punjab.
Now, what's your precise grievance against the judgment?
No, if I may now, that's the entirety of the case then, if I may proceed with that. And I will file this. My apologies for not having filed these earlier. These will be properly filed.
And you filed CMAs also. Can you just give us the numbers of everything simultaneously?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I've also filed a CMA 5839. This actually shows that
that's it? Or is there another CMA?
No, this is the CMA that's been filed.
5839M.
In CMA 3554.
बस यही दो documents हैं ना?
इसी के अंदर ही है.
So far, these are the documents, but I'll file this today. So CMA 3554.
I always say when the case is over, you can file it.
Tell us your grievance, please.
Let me argue the case if I may.
Get on with it now.
Yes, Manoj, I am. Manoj, this CMA 5839. Manoj, the grievance goes to the heart of the matter as to what is the interpretation of Article 51(6), read with Section 104.
First of all, tell us who you are, which is your party.
My party is the PTI, and I was one of the candidates in the list filed by the PTI for reserved seats in the National Assembly from the province of Punjab.
Sunni Ittehad Council?
No.
You're the only one.
No, they can't.
No, because I have not been elected. So I remain unelected and
okay.
आपको तो select करना था ना किसी party
and therefore I am aggrieved of the fact that seats have not been offered to PTI or the Sunni Ittihad Council.
Candidate.
So I am a candidate who was denied because this list was not accepted by the Election Commission ultimately. And against
you are invoking your right under the reserved seats.
Yes.
That's what.
So she was a candidate.
Reserved seat on the basis of general seat won or secured by PTI.
Yes, or ultimately I would have joined SIC had the occasion.
आप अपना grievance पहले बताएं. Let's hear your case, then we'll ask.
आपके फॉर्म 6 देखिए ये मसले सारे फॉर्म से बने हैं ना. ये फॉर्म 66 है. फॉर्म 66 में बताया जाता है कि जो रिजर्व कैंडिडेट होता है उसको अपनी पार्टी एफिलिएशन बतानी है.
तहरीक इंसाफ
आपने तहरीक इंसाफ बताया.
जी तहरीक इंसाफ.
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि तहरीक इंसाफ के कैंडिडेट होने के नाते आप चाहते हैं कि आप तहरीक इंसाफ की रिजर्व सीट पे तहरीक इंसाफ के लिए इलेक्ट हो.
नो, मैं दोनों बातें चाहता हूँ. Either that, there are two ways forward. दोनों
आप अपना ग्रीवेंस बताइए.
दोनों बताइए कैसे हो सकता है.
There are two routes now. Either I be elected as a PTI candidate, or I be allowed to join SIC and be elected as an SIC candidate.
कोई आईन या कानून इसकी इजाजत देता है. आइदर का लफ्ज है.
जी मैं अर्ज करता हूँ ना, मुझे इजाजत दीजिए. That is the heart of the matter. If I may, allow me to start with the reading of Article 51. I respectfully submit that some aspects of it need to be re-examined. And my basic propositions are simple. Let me just state those. That there is nothing in Article 51(6)(d) or E.
Mr. Salman Raja, I think coming to that argument will be later. We just want to understand the connection first. This is a woman who wanted to come in on the reserve seats. She could have only come in had some independent or a political party would have, a PTI ki list mein thi. So your question first would be that PTI has actually a political party in the elections. That was dislodged by the ECP's decision. Did she challenge that decision of the ECP?
In a writ petition, yes.
She did challenge that.
The other
वो तो हमारे सामने नहीं है ना.
Where is that decision?
Stepwise चले ना.
जी.
She was aggrieved of the fact that her political party, which were to elect her, was somehow taken out of the scheme.
Yes.
So that decision, did she challenge?
The women's wing, other members of...
Where is that decision?
वो भी मैं आपको देता हूँ. मुझे
सलमान साहब ऐसे तो नहीं आर्ग्यू होते.
इस तरह ना करें ना.
मुझे
देखें ना एक तरीके से.
It is here. I need to file it.
बिल्कुल करें आप. लेकिन let's not jump the gun. Let's go stepwise. आप कहते हैं कि मैं एक रिजर्व सीट की कैंडिडेट हूँ. PTI अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी स्कीम में आएगी तो आपको इलेक्ट करेगी. PTI को आउस्ट कर दिया ECP ने. बिल्कुल आप उसको चैलेंज कर सकते थे. उसको चैलेंज किया है और उसका फैसला हमारे सामने है तो हम देख सकते हैं ना. अब आप किस तरह आ रहे हैं? How do you just skipping all that and you saying directly coming to us?
मैं ये अर्ज कर रहा हूँ. The Election Commission took the position both in this matter, the reserved list.
What is the position of Election Commission is irrelevant. They may be taking a wrong position. My lord का सवाल ये. They passed an order. Did you challenge it? You said yes.
Yes.
So where is that order?
मैं अभी आपको देता हूँ.
अभी की बात नहीं, but that's not been assailed.
No.
That been assailed before us.
No. Allow me to explain. Then I filed my petition, which is before your lordships, in which I said I be treated as.
पहला rule होता है of any petitioner, full disclosure of all material facts. You're not disclosing this fact. Why should we even hear you? You're not showing us that order.
I'm not here because of that order. I am here because
we want to see it.
I will provide it. Other members of
I don't know what it says.
So that order is not the issue. Let me explain.
You have to answer the question.
I am. Kamal
अभी दे दें, हमें दिखाइए order दे दें.
I think मैंने जो दिया था उसके अंदर वो भी था शायद. I gave more documents than I was meaning to give at that time.
आपने मुझे एक ये दिया था, दो
इसके साथ दो हैं शायद जी. इसमें the Election Commission then issued a notice to us after the High Court referred the matter to the Election Commission.
नहीं हमारे पास order.
मैं अभी आपको दे दूंगा.